Hello friends, my name is Ram and today discussion topic is behavior of components. Behavior of component in Angular. In this topic we discuss the details about the internal how to work the component. Basically Angular is a framework to develop some front to develop the single page application, and in which we can use some libraries, and we can use some front end languages like HTML, CSS, TypeScript. All these languages we can use and build the framework and to develop the application. First we know the how to create the component. So we can create the component in goes to CMD, and we can command line we can type in command line ng generate component, and we can declare as a component name. And after that we can in Angular framework there are two main important component. These are the app.component HTML and app.component TS. These two components are important because in HTML component we can use the structure. We can write the some structural part, and in app.component TS we can write the logical part. That's why we can use this two component is very important, because you can know any CSS or type provided, but it is done, but in these two component is very important. Let's move to the main point, how to internal behavior of component. In internal behavior of component we can two main part, that is view definition and app view. In view definition all the information regarding the HTML we can store in view definition. For example, in HTML component we can write some stack, some data binding, some events. All these information we can store in view definition part. For example, data binding count, data binding value. All these information store in a view definition part. And in app view part there are three main stages or three pages. First is instance. In TS file we can one class, that is app.component class. That app.component class we can create the instance of class in app view. In first stage we create the instance of class, and then after we can node. Node means we can create the object of this all tag. For example, in node h1 node view, h2 node view. These are the all object we can create in second. And third stage we can combine this node object and view definition, all information link internally. This internally we can connect. This is the third stage. And next one is the next move to the DOM and viewport. And this created object we can put on DOM file. DOM means document object module. In DOM file all objects are put, and we can put these objects in tree form. First we put the object, then after we child objects. That's why we like the tree structure. All the objects first put in DOM file, and then we can show the viewport. All data we can show. This is the browser part. DOM and viewport, these are the browser part. So this is the internal behavior of component. So any code we can write in component HTML and CSS. We can internally all this process or all these stages we can complete, and then we show the browser. So this is all about your component behavior in Angular. Thank you.
Stop करें.